Hi, today's video I'm going to share with you how to set up Facebook checkout event using Google Tag Manager. In my previous video I show how to set up Facebook base pixel, also view item tag and also add to cart event. So if you don't know how to set up, how to create Facebook pixel and connect with Google Tag Manager base code and how to set up view item, also add to cart event, you see my old video, sorry, you see my previous video, which is just a second. Yeah, I create a complete Facebook pixel setup playlist. Just you need to see all of this video one by one so you easily understand how to set up, Facebook view content add to carts. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up view begin checkout, checkout event, also checkout event dynamic value. So however, go to my Chrome browser, and here you can see I am also already connect Google Tag Manager preview mode with our website. That's why here show in this data. So we send this all of this data according to Facebook requirement. According to Facebook document. So I am already create document. You can see in here the Facebook initiate checkout event requirement parameter. So this is Facebook requirement parameter document. So I already create in here also more variable for enhanced setup. So however, so I already just now we need to create in here. When I click in here, when I or we set checkout, visit in checkout phase and our Google Tag Manager preview mode, you can see in here begin checkout event is fire. So we have to copy this exactly this begin checkout name and then go to your Google Tag Manager, then create a new trigger, click in here new, click in here new, and then choose Facebook Pixel, choose in here, sorry, choose in here custom event and then paste. So our begin checkout event is, you need to paste in here exactly this name which is you copy from data layer. So however, I am paste in there this name exactly and then begin checkout, right in here the begin checkout event name. So then save, and then now we have to create the necessary variable for begin checkout. So you can see in here variable under I already create content id, and also I create content name, currency item. So yeah, content single content value. So if you don't know how to how to create a content name id variable, this variable, I'll show you just a second. So like I am creating here the number of item, that's mean quantity, right? So just I'm go to my Google, I'm going my website and click in this plugin. If you don't know how to pull data from data layer, so no problem, you just go to your checkout event and then click in here this plugin. This plugin name is data layer checker. So I just reload this and then I click in here. So data layer is loading, you can see in here data layer is loading. Sometimes this plugin not work properly, however, so I will show you how to pull data manually, just a second. So you can see this quantity which is requirement variable number of item. The quantity is the item array under, so the item array in e-commerce under the item full array, right? So we have to first click in here item, sorry, we have to first create in here the e-commerce, click in here e-commerce and then go to your Google Tag Manager and click in here new and then click in here the data layer variable, just a second. Yeah, this is data layer. Then paste in here the e-commerce and then dot, and then next we have to create in here also, click in here item. So e-commerce under the full item array, and the item array under, you can see in here the all of this item information: product id, item id, index, quantity, price, and more and more. So just click in here and paste in here e-commerce dot item. So we now drag in here just e-commerce under the full item array. So write this name according to my document name, because checkout event we check multiple product, right, couple of product, right? So we have to send all of these items individual id and individual quantity and also individual name. So that's why you need to write a JavaScript code. So don't worry, I'll add this document in the video description. We just simply go to my document and write this name according to DLV FB purchase product, copy, and then write in here this name according to the paste in here and save. So now we have to create a data layer variable, JavaScript variable. So just go to my document and then copy this code in here, and then go to your Google Tag Manager and new variable, and then custom JavaScript and paste this code in here. So we need, in this case, we need, just a second, checkout event purpose, we need the content name, content ID, and content category, content number of item. So we first create in here content name. So you have to choose in here your content name. Just sorry, you have to paste in here this exactly this name, and then you have to return item under which is you want to return. So you see in here we return in item under item ID. So copy this item ID and then paste in here item ID. So yeah, that's it, and then write in here this name, like I also give this name in here, just a second. Yeah, this name CGS means custom JavaScript FB purchase product ID, and then go to Google Tag Manager and write in here, paste in here this name. So yeah, that's it, then save. So now we successfully create the content ID parameter, right? So we have to now create content name variable, like exactly this. So go to again and choose in your variable again, this same exactly variable which is you already create, and then copy this variable and also change in there the name, which is the name is CGS FB purchase product name, and then copy this and simply go to Google Tag Manager and paste this name. And now we have to return the content name, right? So go to Google Tag Manager preview mode and choose in here the item name and copy this. So items and content is same, so however you say the item and content is same things. Yeah, so just paste in here, replace in here content ID to content name, and then save simply. So now we have to create also quantity variable, right? So just click in here CGS FB purchase product name, and then copy this again, and then go to our document and then CGSAB purchase product. So here we recover this all of this. Sorry, we have to now create a purchase product, I mean item category, all of this purchase product category. So we have to send the purchase product category event also, category variable also, right? So just copy this name in here and then go to your Google Tag Manager and paste this name and change from here, change this according to content. Just a second, we change this in here, content category, right? Product category. So here product category, we see in here item variant, right? And then copy this, and then next we have to create we have to change this item name and item variable variant, right? So then save it, and also so just save it and then okay. So now simply I'm go to my checkout event. Just a second. Scroll down, yeah, this is my checkout event document. So now we already create this content name, content ID, content category, content on also number of items. So we not create this variable. So now we have to create this variable. So it's easy, the old method. Just go to again this in here and then just copy this and change this name like product category and change this name like number items, and then product number items. So then we just replace this name, according to in here you can see quantity. Just copy this and then paste in here. So that's it. Now just save. So now we create the value parameter. The value is, you can see this value e-commerce under this value. So just we have to copy paste e-commerce and then go to your Google Tag Manager variable section and click in new and data layer and dot e-commerce dot value, exactly, and then save and write in here the value and then save. So we already create the currency variable. So that's it, we already successfully create all of this variable. Now we just set up the checkout event. So this video is boring, like, because we have to understand how to create all of this. But if you one time everything set up properly, then the purchase event we just copy and paste, like our previous event. How do I set up add to cart event? Just copy and paste method. So however, and then now we have to create a tag. So just go to tag and then click in here new, click in here tag configuration and then Facebook pixel, and you choose in here Facebook pixel ID, meta pixel ID. I'm choosing here, and then choosing here also event. The event is initiate checkout, and then we have to send all of this event parameter, I mean requirement event parameter. So click in here object parameter and add property, and then go to my document, and you can see here the Facebook requirement parameter. I mean, according to Facebook document, here necessary parameter is content category ID, content currency, number of item, and value. So just copy this parameter, copy this parameter and go to Google Tag Manager and paste it. And also in here I am copy this all of this necessary parameter and then paste, and also add property and then content, and then paste, and then also currency. This is currency parameter, and then next number items, and then next value. So content category is content category, product category, content ID, just write in here, and then you can see here content ID, purchase product ID, yeah, that's it. And then also content, so content is item, full item array, and then next the currency. So currency I choose in here. We also choose this variable like tab in there, and then here this is number of items, that means quantity. So in here I choose in here the not this is, and purchase product number of item, yeah, that's it. This is, and then also value, just click in here like, and then the value, yeah. So now we add our standard event initiate checkout, also add all of this necessary parameter. So now we have to choose this trigger. So you already create this trigger first and then choose this, yeah, and write in here checkout tag like meta checkout tag, and then save. So our checkout event is properly set up. So now we have to check it with properly working or not working. So yeah, then just submit this recent setup, publish, and then continue. So now our Google Tag Manager container is published. So yeah, now we have to preview. Click in your preview for checking purpose, and then we have to connect this. I mean, we have to now connect our Google Tag Manager preview mode with our website for testing purpose. Our event is properly working or not working, and all event parameter is properly sent or not sent. So yeah, we can see in our website with Google Tag Manager preview mode is properly connected, and we see this, we verify this event properly work or not work by this plugin. So using this plugin, so this is Facebook Pixel Helper, Facebook official plugin. So like I'm clicking here this product, and then you can see in here our old view content event is fire, and also in here, but sometime your Google Tag Manager preview mode is not working properly. However, you have to just check in by this plugin, and then click in here like I'm choose others variant, and then just add to cart. You see our add to cart event also properly working, right? So just click in here buy now, and then now we are our checkout page. So this website is loading, you can see in here the site is loading, just a second. When I clicking, yeah, just a second. So yeah, our checkout event is properly fire. So you can see in here meta checkout tag also properly fire. I mean all of this necessary variable. Just click in your names like value, content category, also ID, also content ID, also content, also content value. Yeah, so all of this, with all of this necessary event, our checkout event is properly fire. You can see. So that's it. In next video, I'm going to show how to set up purchase event.